Getting cash, let me cross the state line just to see my waistline. When he ate this, the only time we ever FaceTime.
Welcome back to my channel. I posted on my YouTube community post thingy that I will be showing you guys. I don't wanna be long and just talk for the first bit of this video, because I hate when YouTubers do that. But I just want to explain a few things in it. So I told you guys that I'll be testing out the new Radiant Nars foundation. It's their latest foundation to date, and I decided to get, I have been wearing that foundation anyway, but I bought a new shade called Marquises. In my post I told you guys I used Macao first and then I decided to buy Marquises. Nothing's wrong with Nars Macao shade, it's just that it was a tad on the yellow undertone side. I'm a red undertone, like a pigmented rich red undertone, so even I could get away with wearing Macao, I wanted to get Marquises to be a perfect match. The only reason why I got away with wearing Macao is because I'd use so much more darker contour, so I'd make sure I'd use extra dark contour to make my face not look yellow. I hate it when a girl's face looks yellow and the rest of their body is just brown. It does not make sense. I didn't even get tested out for the right shade. I was just watching YouTube videos and boom, got them. And I hope Marquises is going to be a perfect match. So I'm going to try it for you guys. First time trying it, and I need to try it now because I'm going out tomorrow, and if it doesn't look right now, I will not be wearing it tomorrow, so I have to do it today. Tired, I would rather sleep, but I'd rather try on some foundation for you guys. Listen, I told you one pump wasn't enough. I'm not even going to try and blend that in because it's just going to come off on my beauty blender. This is pump number 2 now. Nowhere near enough. But it looks, from what I can see right now, it honestly looks like the perfect match. The perfect match. I knew something told me, Vanessa, get Marquises, but then when I see the swatches on people's arms, when I see images of the swatches on people's arms, it seemed a bit too dark, but it's actually the perfect match. This is why I love social media and YouTube, because because I'm in London, yeah, to get these high-end products you have to go Westfield, you have to go Central London. I ain't got time to look for parking, so I'd rather just order it and just hope for the best. So because I've watched YouTube videos and I've seen people my shade get certain shades, I found my match and I didn't even have to go in store. Okay guys, I'm gonna go for 3 pumps because this is way too light for my face. I like a nice full smooth coverage. Oh my god. Oh my god. With Macao, I had to mix Macao to get it to have a red undertone because it was a tad too yellow. It's my shade, but if I had yellow undertones it wouldn't fit me. Here because it just seems perfect to me. I don't know about you guys, but for me, it's just something told me, Vanessa, get Marquises, and then I thought it might be too red, and I've had experiences with Nars foundations that it's just it gets red over time when it oxidizes. Shade, like, I'm good to go like this. Oh my god, oh my god. Anyway guys, I'm gonna do a full face now. So I don't use this Nars concealer by itself. I feel like Fawn just gives me that natural highlight, and then this just amps it up. But I don't know. I need to experiment because I don't like using 3 different concealers for my under eyes. It's just too much sometimes. The time it takes to put on my lashes is the time when I know I finished baking. So, oh my god. Yeah, so however long it takes me to put on my lashes, the amount of time I bake for. I'll teeth look good. Here we go, sketching. Is a match. I don't have to wear so much contour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it showed you guys how I works with Marquises. If you're my shade or you're thinking about getting Marquises, I can't wear it for 16 hours because I have work literally in a couple of hours. I also take pictures in it. I'll be using this foundation from now on, so in all my pictures on Instagram you'll see me wearing this foundation. So if you have any questions, Vanessa, how's it holding up? Vanessa, how's it going? Do you still like it? Just ask me and I'll let you know. But guys, thumbs up this video, share it, and yeah, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.